Well, now, see probability. Many of you people have this subject in your second year, it seems. So, probability, possibility, are chances. They're asking basic and moderate questions only. Don't afraid of this topic. Probability means possibility or chances. And in simple, we can say probability is nothing but favorable out of total. In simple, favorable outcomes out of total outcomes. Okay, favorable out of total. Probability is favorable out of total. We can call right now. Let's see the basic definitions. A probability, as just now mentioned, number of favorable outcomes for that particular event with respect to total number of outcomes. Super. Okay, fine. And we know probability is zero. Yes, in combination CTS and DXC recruitments, they given a question where probability is zero also, probability one also. That's a very basic question. You people, once I ask question, you people can decide probability zero or probability one. Yes, there are situations where probability zero, probability one also will come. Most of the questions will be less than one or more than zero, but there are some questions where they're asking probability zero and probability one as well. So if probability is one for any event, we call it like a certain event, or else we can call it like a sure event. And probability is zero for any event, it's called impossible event. If probability is zero, it is impossible event. If probability is one, okay, we can call certain event or sure event. But next two is very important. Odds in favor, odds against. What is this odds in favor, odds against is? Odds in favor is favorable with respect to unfavorable outcomes. It's not favorable out of total. I repeat, odds in favor is favor out of unfavor. Odds against means unfavor to favor. Unfavor to favor. For example, probability of A, for example, probability of A is 3 out of 11. Let's say 3 out of 11 is the probability of certain event. Here 3 is favorable, 11 is total. Right. So then what is odds in favor? Odds in favor is 3 out of 8. 3 is to 8. Whereas this is 8 is to 3. It's not out of total. I hope you got the point now. They're asking in this model as well. Odds in favor, odds against related questions also they are focusing. Odds in favor, odds against. Okay, so odds in favor is favor out of unfavor, whereas odds against is unfavor to favor. Hope you understand this. Let's move for the next question. Favor to unfavor, unfavor to favor likewise. Yeah, we discussed probability lies between 0 to 1, lies from 0 to 1, not between, lies from 0 to 1. Okay. Now, what we are focusing in this topic is, see, we are doing a lot of experiments. Okay, the questions may be related to this all experiments, like tossing a coin. You toss 5 coins or 3 coins or 4 coins related to that, or roll a dice. You are rolling a dice. Okay, related to that, they can ask a question. It may be one dice you roll, or 2 dice or 3 dice, depends on that. Then selecting a ball, pick ball from a bag. You are pick ball from a bag or a box. You pick ball or from a bag or a box. That's what one scenario. Next, tossing a coin, rolling a dice. So these different experiments and cards, pack of cards. You have 52 cards. Okay, so they can ask you have to pick so and so card. You should know about that pack of cards. We'll discuss that as well, right? And yes, it's like next scenario, the concepts what we discussed in permutations and combinations again will going to help. In the sense forming a team, okay, 5-digit number, permutations and combinations we discussed, 5-digit number, vowels together, all those things also again it will come into picture here, and many more experiments. So we'll focus primarily on these experiments. No total probability, no Bayes theorem, Okay, don't think conditional probability. That is all pure mass related probability. Aptitude related probability, they don't focus on total probability. They don't ask questions related to Bayes theorem, conditional probability. That's all not required, my dear. So now we'll see this one by one. Okay, tossing coin. Okay, so roll a dice, pick balls, all those examples one by one will go. See the first question. A coin is tossed thrice. When a coin is tossed thrice, what is the total is nothing but for first coin two choices, second coin two choices, third coin two, you got total is eight. Eight is the outcome. When you tossed three coins, tossed thrice, the outcome total outcomes is eight. It may be, as you people are already aware of, it is tile or tile head. What is that eight? Some of you people have doubts, so it's like tile head. Okay, tile head tile. It is yes head tile or tile head tile or it might be tile head. Okay, head tile head. So all different things what are cover, all those six eight we are mentioning here, you can check one by one. So already we are done with six. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 okay, 1 0 0 1 0 1, fine, this is 0 1 1. Now yes, all heads, and one more chance if you just go through. Okay, so we can get, what's the other one missing? So fine, head tile. Okay, yeah, head tile also completed. Seven only I written, one I missed. No, it's total eight. I am counting wrong. Yes, all are done. Total eight outcomes, all are shown here. Now, here, what they're asking, first should be head. As per the question, they're asking, first one should be head, second one tile, third one tile. So, favorable is only one. Favorable, we have only one chance. This is the only one chance. So, what is the probability? Is 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8. This is one way of doing. The other method also there for the same question, but let's see 1 out of 8. See the total is 8 here, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Okay, whereas what is the probability is favorable out of total. Favorable, first one head required, second tile you required, third one tile you required, means head, tile and tile, you got 1 out of 8. This is one thing. Or the other thing is, you may do like, sir, first one head, 1 by 2 chances, sir. Second one I tasked, I want tile, 1 by 2, sir. Third one I tasked, I want tile, 1 by 2. First one head, 1 by 2 chances. Second one you tasked, you want tile, means 1 out of 2 chances. Third one you tasked, 1 out of 2 chances. It's 1 upon 8. And this is easy for you. Fine, okay, you should know all methods. This is the total 8. We list out all the 8 scenarios. Okay, among that the favorable is only 1. So we are saying 1 out of 8. Or else you can say first one you tossed head you are getting, that's 1 out of 2 chances. Second one you tasked, you got 1 out of 2. Third one you tasked, 1 out of 2. It is and first, second, third. It's not or. Don't think sir first one or second one means plus. Addition will do. Okay, and in fact, if you add all, we got more than one, which is not acceptable. Probability always we should take maximum, we should take one, right? Okay, that's the first question. Hope you understand. 1 out of 8. Now see the second question. Second question, I can say 3 red balls, 4 green balls, 3 blue balls. 3 red socks or 3 red balls, 4 green balls, 3 blue balls are there. I need to choose 2. Choose 2. Okay, fine. Then what is the total probability? Here we have 3 plus 4 plus 3, 10 successes are there. You need to choose 2 successes means. So what is the probability? Total outcome is 10C2 means 45. Total is 45. What is favorable now? Favorable, they given same color required. Now, we need to choose two, but same color required. You can choose from red. So 3C2. You can choose from green. 4C2. You can choose from blue. 3C2. So favorable if you add, we got 12. 3 plus 6 plus 3, 12. Now probability favorable out of total. So the questions are very simple like this. Okay, so don't think probability is a complicated one. Whenever they see the question probability, don't skip it. You just give a try. 307 excellent. 483 check once. 549 good. You just see. 503, please check your settings, my dear. Screen is visible. Please check from your end. 4 out of 15. Somebody mentioned 4 out of 45. Options also displayed. Check once clearly. 706 is not 1 out of 5, 4 out of 15 here. 4 out of 15, not 1 out of 5. Okay. It's like, okay, you have 3 red balls, 4 green balls, 3 blue balls. You need to select 2 balls. That's what the thing. We're already given the experiments. What are different type of experiments? What they can ask. Okay. Now next one. So this next question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. When two dice are thrown simultaneously, total is nothing but 6 into 6, 36. 36 is the total. 6 into 6, 36 is the total. What is the total also we know? In top of the dice, for example, in die 1, top of the dice is showing 1. Second die also showing 1. Or here 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Or 2, 1, 2, 2, so on up to 2, 6. 3, 1, so on up to 3, 6. Likewise, 6, 1 up to 6, 6. I hope you got what is the total. You have a better idea. Total is nothing but 36. We're not entering into favorable. Now we have to think about favorable. 5D4 option not available, 1 upon 6. Options already I clearly mentioned. 1 upon 6 is not there in the options. So kindly check what might be the best option. Check once. What is the favorable they're asking? Product must be a perfect square. Favorable is product must be perfect square. Now if you look into that product as a perfect square, yeah, probability product is a perfect square. So favorable, if you just work on favorable is 1 comma 1, 1 into 1 perfect square, 2 comma 2 4, 3 and 3 9, 4 and 4 16 is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square. So here 6 only. That's why many of you people are giving 1 by 6. Not there in the options. But my dear, 1 into 4 also 4 perfect square, right? 4 into 1 also 4 perfect square, right? These two are the extra perfect squares. 2 are there. Total 8 perfect squares. Okay, product perfect squares available, 8 available. Now I hope you got the answer. So 2 out of 9. I can see the responses, but now that's probability of success response is less. Okay, you just try to see 8 out of 36, which is for 2 times 4, 9 times. 2 out of 9. Got it now? Hope you understand. Okay, so total 36. Favorable, they're asking product must be a perfect square. 595, if you have doubt, please mention first, then raise hand. Got it right. So let's see the next question regarding this two dice. Sharp 1 o'clock will close the session. Okay. Now, yes, one more question regarding two dice is this. After this, one more question. Two questions, with that we'll close today's session. Bit fast. Here, two dice are thrown. Two dice are thrown. Here, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they said QRSTU. For a better understanding, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. What's wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only we can go. Total is nothing but 16 to 6, 36. Total 16 to 6 will get 36. What is favorable? What is favorable? Favorable, they're asking the outcome should be composed only with the combination of any combination of Q means 1, U means 5, V means 6. I want only combination of 1, 5, 6 only. Outcome favorable should be combinations of 1, 5 and 6 only. They want only this combination. Right. See, I have only two dice, and die 1 I have 3 chances. It may be 1, 5, 6. In die 3 also 3 chances, 1, 5 or 6. So favorable is 9. What is that 9 in detail? If you want to understand, it may be 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 6. It is 5, 1, 5, 5, 5, 6. I hope you got the clarity now. 6, 1, 6, 5, 6, 6. I said 9, this is what that 9. Finally, probability is favorable out of total 9 out of 36, 1 upon 4. Two dice are thrown. It's not option C, 3 out of 4, 1 out of 6, no, B and C not correct. It's 1 out of 4. You just try to see. 507, you are allowed to talk. If anything is there, please. 1 out of 4. Now, last question, then you people will be allowed to go for the test. Test, what you have to do, we have one test tab in the portal, in that Teachment tab, ACE 2024 batch. You can just go ahead with that. See, when two dice are thrown, total is 36, okay, total outcomes, but sum of numbers appeared on two dice. Sum of numbers appeared on top. Minimum sum is 2, maximum sum is 12. You will get minimum sum 2, maximum sum is 12. Sum of the two dice, it's not product. I'm telling you this is sum. Minimum 2, maximum 12. Now what is the chances you will get sum is 2? Is nothing but one chance. We have one chance to get sum is 2, that is 1, 1. For sum 12 also one chance, that is 6, 6. And here the shortcut is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then again decrease 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So for 5, for getting sum equal to 5, what are the chances? 4 chances is 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. You got 4 chances. These are the 4 chances when sum equal to 5. I'm giving you the shortcut. When two dice are thrown, you can see top numbers are appeared. Okay, when you're playing the dice game also, you can observe. Now sum, okay, minimum 2, maximum 12, and these are the favorable chances for that. Chances means favor. What is the favorable outcomes? Right, now here, only one question. Two dice are thrown. Total score is a prime number. When two dice are thrown, total outcomes is 36. Favorable favorable is score must be a prime number. Favorable, sum must be prime number means sum must be equal to 2. Sum of those two dice is 3. Sum must be 5. Sum must be 7. Sum is 11. These are the favorable. Total score should be a prime number. For sum 2, favorable is 1. For sum 3, favorable is 2. Here 4, here 6, here 2. I hope favorable 15. Probability 15 out of 36 is nothing but 5 out of 12. Right. You just observe, okay, 5 out of 12. Further remaining things will be discussed. Okay, now